Here's how you're going to install Claude Desktop on Windows in less than 5 minutes. Today, I will show you a step-by-step guide so you can get the desktop app running, start using it immediately. First, you're going to open your browser and then you're going to head over to the official Claude download page. You can just type in Claude AI download and then from here you can just see this download Claude right here. You're going to tap on it and it will take you to the claude.com/download site. From here, you're going to select Download for Windows and wait for the installer to finish downloading. This is where many people accidentally install the wrong file, so confirm you are downloading directly from the official source before opening anything. Now from here, just going to select the folder where you want to download it and then click on Save. Once the download finishes, you're going to double click on the installer or you're just going to tap on it. And then from here, if Windows shows a permission prompt, you're just going to select yes or run to continue. Now the installer will begin setting up Claude automatically. You should see a progress window while files are downloaded and installed on your computer. Then you're just going to wait until installation completes and launch Claude from the Start menu. Once Claude app starts, you're just going to click on Get Started from here. And when the sign-in screen appears, you're just going to choose your preferred login method and then you're going to enter your account details. After signing in, you're just going to allow the app a moment to sync conversations and load your workspace. After that, you're just going to open settings by hitting on your name right here at the bottom left corner of the screen and then by clicking on settings from there. Now you can adjust any options that you want before starting. You can change notifications, keyboard shortcuts, and other desktop preferences. If extensions are available in your version, you can open the extensions section to browse and connect supported tools as well. Now you're going to test the setup by opening a new chat and sending a short message. You should see responses appear directly inside the desktop window. If you don't see this option, there may be another workaround for this. You can download the supported Windows package from the official deployment page and run the installation again using the provided installer package. Once everything is set, Claude opens directly from your desktop and keeps your conversations available in one place. Following these simple steps makes installing Claude Desktop on Windows super quick and easy.